Yes, we are back and we are breaking down the 6 steps to the TTP method because I know who you are. You're a proactive real estate investing maniac and you do not want to spend thousands of dollars to start getting your deal flow in your real estate wholesaling, real estate investing business. And I totally understand that. I don't want you to spend money and waste it and get all anxious and worry about missing a call and all that. I want you in the driver's seat of your business from day one. So I'm going to So I'm going to break down the 6 steps to the TTP method so you can be the most proactive real estate investor in your market. Now, usually this is a speech that I would do on stage at some event, but because of the current situation, I'm bringing it directly to the YouTube channel, which I'm very excited about. So let's break this down. Let's start with the foundation. Okay, I want you to take the word wholesaling and throw it out of your head. Okay, I want you to just throw it out of your head because it could mean anything. I want you to put in your head what it really means. What that means is you find deals. All right, let's dress it up, put a little tuxedo on it, and really make it fancy and say you source real estate opportunities. That's what we do. That's exactly what we do. What we do is we find the biggest, best deals in the marketplace, and we have a lot of different exit strategies for that. And I'm going to break it down in the 6 steps here. But that's what we do. Look at the foundation of it, but look at what is the key to this. What is the key to the business? The key to the business is having quality conversations with distressed property owners. Consistent quality conversations with distressed property owners. I am telling you, there is not a single person that can deny that if you talk to enough people, if you have enough quality conversations with truly motivated sellers, that you could not get a deal. Of course you can. And not only that, if you could do one, you can repeat it over and over and over and over and over again. That's just the nature of this business. And that's what makes it so exciting, because once you get your first deal or your first few under your belt, now you've got the process. Now you're building that confidence. Now you understand that this is real, that it can happen. It can happen to you. We've got a ton of examples of people getting either their first deals or growing and exploding their business on interviews on this channel to show you and prove it to you, but nothing is proof like when you get your first check, when you actually make money from this business. I don't care if it's $1 or if it's $100,000 your first deal. Once you understand that you can make income from this business, it is an addiction. It is an obsession because it is so much fun and we're providing so much value out there in the marketplace. Because here's the fact. People are not going to sell their property at a discount if they are not in distress. They have to have some sort of motivation. So the first step that we need to go to is we need to find the distressed properties. The beautiful thing is technology takes a lot of the work out of this for us. Now, what I will tell you is the number one, I'll say this, 80% of people's first deals come from driving for dollars. Okay, it comes from driving for dollars. That's just a fact. That's a fact that from talking to thousands of people around the country, 80% is driving for dollars as their first deal. What is driving for dollars? It's easy. You drive down the street in your community, you see a rundown house, a house that needs some love. That's the property that you want to go after. It shows the distress on the property. It's not the emotional distress of the seller necessarily, but the house is in distress. And this is one of the main things that we go after. And we use this technology right here, Deal Machine. It's a fantastic app. If you use the coupon code TTP when you check out, it goes from $49 to $40, guys. This does all the work for you. It pulls all the information. It lets you know if it's a rental property or if the people live there. It lets you know what the owners' names are. It lets you know if it's owned by a corporation or by somebody that's just a person. And it's absolutely incredible. For $40 a month, it's a no-brainer. But 80% of the deals come from that. Now, next is the other distress, the emotional distress that a lot of these property owners are going through. Because remember, if you look at the top of this page here, distressed property owners will trade equity in their house for speed and convenience. Do not go after every single property in your market. You will get so much brain damage and so much heartache that you will want to quit the business. And I don't want that for you. I want you to stay in this for the rest of your life and just make an unbelievable, have an unbelievable financial future for yourself and your family. But it comes from working with distressed property owners. And let me tell you this. The beautiful thing about this business is, yes, we can do really well. It's a cash machine. It works. It's unbelievably financially rewarding. But truly, you cannot make money unless you are providing value. The value that we're providing is we are reducing the stress of property owners that don't know how to reduce the stress themselves. That sounds crazy, Brent. You're just making it up. You're just hyping it up. It's the absolute truth. I get Christmas cards every year from people that we've helped out that I've made $40,000, $50,000 on the deal. I'm telling you, it's not all about the money for people. It's about their anxiety. It's about their mental well-being. It's about the stress that they have, all right? And you can go out and proactively find these people every single day and help them out. It's an absolute blessing. It is not a burden, and I'm telling you, it is powerful. That is how we do this. Listen, your income is equal to the amount of value you provide to the marketplace, the amount of value you provide to your community. Right? That's the equation. That's just a fact. Okay? That's not some theory. So it's an absolutely wonderfully rewarding business, and we have the opportunity to, one, you can drive for dollars and get all the information with Deal Machine, which is easy, and two, with these other lists, now we can sort out through PropStream or TTPData.com. TTPData.com. You can try this out completely free for a week, which is phenomenal because they'll let you pull out, I think, 500 addresses if you don't want to continue with it. But it's incredible at comping properties and understanding how much they owe in their mortgage and liens and everything. But you can see right off the bat, maybe you've seen this before, but the filters on this are exactly these are like, 12 filters of distress in your market that you can pull in 2 seconds. It's absolutely incredible. So just remember, I don't care what technology you use. These are the two that I use the most. These are the ones that are the best, but you can obviously use whatever you want to be able to pull your list. Just pull the distressed property list. That's what I'm trying to get at, okay? Because you don't want to go after everybody. Narrow your focus, okay? Next, get their phone numbers. This is crazy. Let me explain to you what skip tracing is, okay? Everybody has a credit report to some degree. Most people, I would say 98% of people, maybe I'm wrong, whatever, have a credit report. Guess what's on your credit report? Your current phone number. Guess what the credit reporting agency does? They sell your information to data companies. What do data companies do? They compile it down and they sell it to you and I. Isn't that great? And the best one that I've used for being able to grab addresses and get the most accurate phone numbers for them is batchskiptracing.com. Truly, it really is. Batchskiptracing.com. With any of these, at least with Deal Machine and Batch, use the TTP coupon code and it'll save you some money. But you get the phone numbers, and then you're able to actually pick up the phone and call them. Now you've got an accurate phone number for that ugly house that's down the street, and you're leaving messages. Maybe you text message, maybe you catch them on the phone, and you ask them if they would consider an offer, right? And I think I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Here we go. Dang it. Step 3 is to call them. Use a script. If you need any scripting, listen, you can just write one down yourself, whatever you think sounds good. You can get the most proven script at talktopeople.com. I'm giving you these resources and these things so that you don't have to skip around and test them out. You can do it and just get to it right now so that you can take action tomorrow. But if you want to just Google cold calling script for investors or whatever, do that too. This is the most effective, but if you want to try something else, try it out. And if you do join the Insider, which I hope you do, it's absolutely free. We've got incredible free downloads in there that you can definitely check out. But let's get back here. So use a script. The introduction is so important. You don't want to sound like you're a big company. You don't want to sound like you're too, business-like. You want to sound like a neighbor that lives down the street. And when you ask somebody if they would consider an offer on their property, there is only 6 responses that they're going to give you. Yes, which we love the most. No way, I'm never selling this house to you. The third one is I might in the future, maybe in the future, right? Yes, no, maybe. 4 is how much will you give me, right? Fifth is who are you? And the sixth is how'd you get my number? Listen, guys, there's only 6 responses when you ask somebody if they would consider an offer on their property from just a random call. Understand that you can learn how to respond to those responses so that you can keep the conversation going, because a lot of people have reflex no. No, I don't want to sell. Okay, great. Do you have any other properties that you would consider selling? Maybe something that needs a little bit of work, a little bit of love. I'm telling you, there is responses to every single response. Just learn them. And then you have that confidence, right? The 4 pillars of pre-qualifying. When you call them, the whole conversation, you're trying to determine 4 things. The condition of their property, their timeline to sell, their motivation to sell, or what is their problem, and the price. I am telling you, if you cater your conversation to those 4 things and you get as much of those as possible, you understand whether or not there is a high likelihood of this person doing business with you. You have to pre-qualify all the time, 100% of the time, 100% of your leads, 100% of the time. And next, you mirror and match their tone and their pace, right? If they're older, you don't want to be bombastic like I'm being in this video and be crazy and wild and blow them out almost like you're coming through the phone. You need to slow it down. You need to listen to them. You need to be able to mirror and match their tone. Now, if somebody says, well, what are you going to give me for your house? You know, you can respond in the same way. You know, I don't know what I'm going to give you for your house. I need to do some work on it. Whatever it is, that's not the script. But download the script and you'll get in there, okay? Mirror and match their tempo and volume. Number 4 is you get the signed contract. You go on the appointment, you go with certainty, you go with likability, you go with confidence, and you're able to understand that whether or not you can help this person out. And typically it comes down, the contract comes down to 3 things, or the agreement comes down to 3 things, or people doing business with you comes down to the 3 things, which is price, terms, and you. Do they trust you? Do they want to work with you? Do they like you? Right? The price and terms you can work out. Hopefully you've pre-qualified them enough so that you are confident going into that appointment, and you can either do it in person or you can even do this over the phone. If you don't want to work in your backyard, you want to work in a different area, you can do this over the phone and have them sign digitally. Okay? Step 5 is your exit strategy. What do you want to do? Do you want to assign this deal? Do you want to buy this property and just put it right on the market and list it, wholetailing? Do you want to fix and flip it? Do you want to keep it? Do you want to live in it, or do you want to rent it? You have all these exit strategies that are available to you, but guess what? When you learn how to source deals, you can pick and choose which one you want to do, which one is the best for you right now in this situation. That's incredible. That stays with you forever. You can source opportunities anytime you want. You pick it up, you're going. It's so powerful and it's so incredible. And it really changes your financial future. Listen, 1,700 people in America, in our country right now became a millionaire. Today, just today, 1,700 people became a millionaire. When is it going to be your day? That's hype up, Brent. That's so hype up. What are you doing here? Are you hyping us up for something? No, it's a fact. Like, when is it going to be your day? 1,700 people, what are they doing? They're obviously doing something. They're providing enough value to where they become a millionaire, right? Some people inherit it, some whatever, but I'm talking about earning it. It's absolutely, real estate has made more millionaires than anybody, right? I don't know if that's still the truth. That was said by Andrew Carnegie way back in the day. But you know what? I think it's the absolute truth. You know, real estate is the path to financial freedom, and finding discounted property is the true path to financial freedom. 1,700 people today became a millionaire. Absolutely incredible. And step number 6 is repeat. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Just do this over and over and over and over and over. Build up your pipeline of leads to where every single week you are closing on a deal that's making you 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever, $1,000 every single week. And that's how you build this thing up. That's the 6 steps really quick. Obviously, we could get into more of this, but there's going to be more videos to come. If you're interested in joining the most proactive group in real estate investing, it is the TTP family. Go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Scroll down, check it out. If it feels good in your gut, sign up for a call. I look forward to working with you personally. Until next time, I love you guys. Go out there and talk to people. See ya.